Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video, and in today's video about this starter. I got a complaint that this machine is not starting, so I inspected. The power is coming here, but you can see this is a little heated, but also I try to start directly. You can see this spot is here, but this solenoid is not passing the current to the motor. So I am going to remove the starter motor and will change the solenoid and let you know it's working or not. Okay, but this time I check it's not working. Again show you. So I'm going to start and show you. You heard the sound? It's going to start, but sound is coming. Sound is coming here. Okay, and I direct start from here to this solenoid, but not starting. But this relay is also a problem, and this solenoid is also a problem. Again, I will ask the operator start. Maro Salaf. You're going to start, and you will. Okay, so it's not starting. Start karo. It's not starting, so maybe the problem this solenoid is not passing the power. So after removing the starter, I will take it to my workbench. Obviously you can say I have brought the starter motor to my workbench, and I will remove this solenoid. Okay, so the solenoid has a problem, and I will fix this new solenoid. Okay, after fixing the solenoid, and also I will check this relay is also not looking good one. Okay, but first I fix the solenoid and check this my starter motor is working. So first off camera I will remove this one solenoid and fix the new one and check in front of you. Okay, so as you can say I have fixed it in the vise, and I first remove this cover, check the motor properly, and after that I will change this solenoid. So as you can see I have removed this stator of this motor. Here's okay, everything okay, the motor is good, not any found issues, so I think this one is okay. I clean it little bit. Now I will remove this one. Okay, I just fix this new one here. So as you can see we have fixed this solenoid. Okay, now is ready. Now I am going to check, test it. Okay, relay is not changed, just only solenoid I have changed. Now I am going to outside and fix the connections, and will check it's working or not. Okay, so as you can see I have made the connections. Okay, so now I am going to these are my batteries, and this is my starter. I'm going to check my starter is working. So here is power, you can see power coming. I just gave I gave positive voltages, and it should be work. Okay, so let's I show you. चलेगा So as you can see, I have brought my starter motor to the machine. So I'm going to fix this starter motor. Okay, now off camera I will fix it, and after it I will start the machine. Okay, so now is the starter motor is ready to fix. You can see I have fixed the starter motor. Nut bolt is tight completely. Now is the remaining, or the electrical connections are remaining. Here I will fix my ground. Okay, here I fix my battery voltage, and also this one is a relay wire. Okay, this one I fix. After it I will start it. As you can see, I have made the electrical connections. This is my ground, this is a battery, and I fix all the connections. Now I'm going to start. Okay, so I'm waiting for start.